So to add this image upload feature, I'll start by adding a new folder in the lib folder, and I'll name this folder widgets, because I plan on adding a new widget which will not be a screen, but instead a widget that's used inside of a screen. And that will be my user underscore image underscore picker widget, or stored in a user underscore image underscore picker.dart file to be precise. And in that file, I'll create a new class, which I'll name user image picker. And we extend a widget class here. And here it will be a stateful widget that I want to extend, because I'll need to manage some state for picking that image and for showing a preview of that image before we upload it. Therefore, here we of course have our constructor, as always, where I forward that key. And then we have that related class underscore user image picker, which extends state, a state that belongs to the user image picker class, as you learned before. And in this user image picker class, we add the create state method, where we return a new instance of user image picker state, and that should actually be the class name down here, user image picker state. And with that done here for this state, the best type annotation is to be very specific about the fact that it's this user image picker class that will belong to this state that's returned here. And inside of the state class, we then of course add the build method, as we always do. Now in that build method, I then want to return a widget that allows me to pick an image and a widget that shows a preview of the image. And therefore here I'll return a column, because I'll need two widgets which I want to show above of each other. And the first widget I want to have in there should be a circle avatar, a widget we did use before in the course, which in the end renders a circle with some content inside of it. And I'll use this widget for showing a preview of the taken image. And below that, I want to have a text button with an icon by using this special icon constructor, which in the end will trigger the camera to open to then take a picture. So here we have on pressed, and we need an icon. And here I'll take the image icon, this one, and the label will be a text widget where I say add image. Now the icon can and should be const. The text widget here will not be const, because I'll add some style here, and in that style, which I'll create with the text style class, I want to set the color to theme of, and theme of context of course, to my primary color then. Here in this function that we assign to onPressed, we'll soon open the camera with help of the image picker. But before we do that, I want to work on this circle avatar. And there I'll add a radius of 40, which in the end just controls the shape of this avatar. And I'll give it a background color of colors gray, so of this hard-coded built-in color. And I also want to set a foreground image thereafter, and we'll set this dynamically soon, because here I want to show a preview of the image that was taken because this button here was pressed. So therefore, as a next step, we must make sure that this button can be pressed and that the image picker package will be used for taking a new image.